Hi, in this very short video, about 5 minutes long, I'm going to show you a few things, the benefits of using groups and forums and resources. So I'm using our test drive community so you can go in and see these for yourself as well. But let's start by looking at groups themselves. So groups can be in various categories. So here I see I have demo groups, just for fun, learning groups, special interest groups, and by clicking them you can see the area over on the right changes. So if I look at special interest groups, here I have a group for community managers, and you'll notice that it gives me a description. It's a restricted group. I have resources, forums, and a calendar. So let's actually look at that group. So there's a description of it, and the group is actually tagged so that it can be used by the matching engine, and you can actually extend that so you can have tags that are specific to the group. So if you think about your special living groups, they might have some very specific words that are extended to them. The members, I can also send a message to everybody that's in my group, and I have the ability, if I'm the group manager, to go in and manage those members. People have invitations, so here I've invited someone to join this group. I see she hasn't joined, so I can re-invite her. She'll get a little message. She'll go in and join the group. So you have a concept of my groups and my invitations as well, so as people come and join. Anybody can create a group, and the groups they create, it's very simple. They put in a logo, a name, a summary, and a description. It's a simple four-step process that they can do. Now each group has its own area of content, so we can think about content as, we call them resources. So here now I am in the community manager resources area. I have a suggestion box area, and I've got helpful information. So here we can see I've got a document. This is a community manager presentation. Here's some more usage research data, and then I've got a blog. So here I can link here. This is something very specific. Here's some more, again, more information. So here you can see, oh, here's what an online community manager does. The idea then is to be able to share at the group level information that you only get access to if you're in the group. Now if we go back to the group, we'll see there's also forums. So the forums are places where we can have discussions. So one of the things you could do with the forums is you could add a topic, and then I click the add topic button and I get a dialogue. I give it a name. So I might want to discuss something, so I might want to find one of the things I've written. So here's an article debunking the 6 social media myths. I put in a title, the body, and then start a discussion. So people can come in and they can read something, they can reply to it very, very easily. And if I'm particularly interested in anybody replying to this thread, I just subscribe to that. Now what will happen is anytime anybody writes a new post, notice here, forum subscription notifications, I can control this. So every time someone does it, I want them to send it. In fact, I even have it sent to my phone, to my iPhone. So that's a very brief overview on groups. Groups, remember, are public, private, or restricted. And I'll show you a little trick here. You could go in and search for, in this case, all the people who are event planners. Find all of those people. So we'll see I have 246 event planners. Go into list view, select all of those people, and then I could either create a new group or go in and invite them to join my meeting planner group that I have right here, add or invite. Thank you very much. Hope this helps you better understand groups and resources and forums.